Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste using ChatGPT to make money. As you probably already know, ChatGPT is a fantastic chatbot, so let me first give you a few examples before I get into how we can use ChatGPT to make money. For instance, ChatGPT can do a ton of amazing things like give me the top 10 best ideas from a book like Atomic Habits. I simply have to ask what are the top 10 ideas from Atomic Habits. Even if you want to learn a little bit about history or anything, for instance, if I ask ChatGPT to explain the 2008 stock market crash to a 10-year-old, it will immediately respond and tell you what caused the crash. However, you probably don't care too much about all of that because you clicked on this video to learn how to make money online. Now, if we ask ChatGPT, what are the 5 best ways to make money online? We can see that the first method is selling products or services online. The second method is to provide freelancing services. The third method is to create and sell an app or a game. The fourth method is to become an affiliate marketer. The fifth method is to conduct webinars or sell online courses. Now let me save you some time and tell you what the best way to make money is, which is to sell digital products. When you sell digital products, the profit margin is extremely high and you just create it one time and you can sell it over and over again. Creating digital products is free, and as you can see, even ChatGPT tells you that one of the best ways to make money online is to sell digital products such as ebooks or courses. I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to create an ebook, and then in just a minute, I'll show you exactly how you can turn your ebook into cash to earn passive income. Now, before we start writing our first ebook, you need to get an idea for your ebook. So what ebook should you create with ChatGPT? First things first, understand that to sell ebooks for a profit, you must first determine which types of non-fiction books are in demand. To do this, all you need to do is ask ChatGPT, even if you don't know what kind of ebooks you want to write and sell. We'll just use ChatGPT to help us do the research. So when I ask ChatGPT, what are the most popular categories for non-fiction books? You can see here that we have all these fantastic ideas. We want to find out what is popular and what is in demand so that we can discover what people want to buy, and then we develop the ebooks to fulfill the need. Stuff like self-help and personal development is a great one. Another popular category is business and finance. Other categories listed here are history or science and technology. If you feel like this list of ideas is insufficient, you can ask it to keep coming up with new ones. If you want more ideas, just tell ChatGPT to suggest more. Let's say I just say, suggest 5 more categories. Now that we have new ideas such as food and cooking, we also have arts and entertainment, education and learning, or philosophy and spirituality are all really good ideas to start with. This is a fairly broad category, so if you want to come up with even better ideas for a non-fiction book, ask ChatGPT to suggest some subtopics. This way, we won't just write in a book about business and finance because that would be too general, too vague, and difficult to market. Instead, let's ask ChatGPT for some ideas. I'll just put something like, what are the subtopics for this category of self-help and personal development? Then wait for ChatGPT to tell you what some of the most popular subtopics are. This will give us a much better concept for your ebook so that we can come up with even better ideas. Motivation and inspiration are 2 examples of self-help and personal development. Relationships and communication is another one we can do, or career and success. We also have time management, which is a popular one as well. Now that we are ready to write the ebook, first pick a topic that is interesting to you and let's tell ChatGPT to write us an outline. For instance, let's assume we choose time management. First, tell ChatGPT to write an outline for a book on time management. ChatGPT will plan out the book for you. They'll give you the table of contents. They'll show you all the different chapters, and then they'll organize the book for you. We've got an introduction to all chapters, things below, and so forth. So now we're going to copy everything, go to Google Docs, and paste it there. What you want to do next is to copy the first chapter. Then go back to ChatGPT, say, write a chapter 4, and paste in importance of time management. In this manner, ChatGPT will assist you in writing your ebook's first chapter. As a result, we already have our first chapter, and for the next chapters, you can get ChatGPT to write out the rest of the chapters using the same method. Then just keep going in this manner, copying and pasting as you go. In a matter of minutes, you will have your entire ebook written out for you. Once your ebook is finished, make sure to download it as a PDF. By the way, here's a quick tip. If you think a chapter is too short and want ChatGPT to write more, you can simply ask them to do so. ChatGPT will then continue adding new paragraphs to the chapter. Now that you have yourself an ebook, you now need a platform so that you can sell it there. There are many platforms that you can use to go and sell your ebooks, but Gumroad is just one of the many platforms that you can use. Here you can use gumroad.com to sell an ebook in PDF format, and of course you can choose to sell other types of digital products if you want. Now the good thing about Gumroad is that it's free in the sense that they do not have any monthly charges. All they charge is just a 10% fee every time you make money, so after you get any sales on your ebook, Gumroad will charge 10%, which is not bad at all. Once you have your book on Gumroad, it's ready for sale, and now all you need to do is promote your ebook on social media. You can use YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook. If you're interested in learning more about ways to make easy money, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be giving you all the secret sauce. See you all next time. As always, let's go get this bread.